Today's video is another wonderful recipe you are going to take in order to increase your metabolism, to boost up your immune system, and to help you be the best man you want to be. Make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know the 3 ingredients you are going to mix together in order to be the perfect man. My name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. In case if you are new on this channel, you want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, consider to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload videos concerning men and natural ways to keep men. The 3 ingredients you need to mix together in order to be the best man you want to be are: number 1 is ginger. Number 2 is honey, and the last is milk, but milk is optional. Now watch how you are going to use it. Take ginger, peel the outer part of it and grate it so that you get smaller particles of that ginger. Now boil it, or you can use a hot water or a warm water to stir it. Then after stirring, filter it with a grater, or you can use a small cloth you can use to filter it to get the juice, so that you will remove the chaff of that ginger. Now after the filtration, collect the juice and add 1 teaspoonful of honey, and also add milk depending the quantity of milk. Just let that milk be consumable milk, condensed milk. So add milk and 1 spoonful of honey and take it. That is the recipe I want to recommend for you people in today's video. This recipe boosts up your immune system. This recipe will help you to power like a horse. This recipe will also make you to increase blood flow and blood circulation to all parts of your body system. Bear in mind or remember that whenever you have a good blood flow and blood circulation, it can lead to good performance of every man. And with ginger in this recipe, it can lead to good blood flow and blood circulation. Now the milk and the honey will help you to be the best man you want to be, because they will boost up your libido and make you to perform well, to have more energy, stamina as a man. So that is why you need these 3 ingredients. But never forget that the ginger will be stirred with hot water or warm water, and after that filter it to get the juice. Now add 1 spoonful of honey and add milk, but you can do it as many as you want so that you can put it in a refrigerator for use. Only that ginger juice, you can put it in a refrigerator. Anytime you want to take it, you can take half cup of that ginger, warm it, then add 1 spoonful of honey and add milk. Did you understand? Only the ginger juice you can preserve. You can do it as many as you want and preserve it in a refrigerator for subsequent use. Anytime you want to use it or take this recipe, you can put it in a cup. Let it be half cup and 1 spoonful of honey and milk. Stir it properly and drink it. It will give you all that I said earlier. So that is what I want to share in today's video, and that is it for today's video. These recipes that I do recommend works. All of them are working. Besides, they are natural ingredients that God creates for our health and for our well-being. So thank you for watching. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Like and share this video to your friends and families. Hit the like button to support this channel. If you never subscribe, subscribe once again. See you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye.